Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with lesson number 8, which is going to be about words building with short A. If you did not subscribe to our channel until now, go and subscribe to our channel. And 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 your turn to read now. H and hand. H and hand. Your turn to read now. L and land. L and land. Your turn to read now. S and sand. S and sand. Your turn. Dan and dad had land and sand. Now it's your turn to read. Now you have to read a little faster than before. Dan and Sam. Max and Ted. Tax and wax. Land and sand. Your turn to read now. Now you have to read little faster than before. Let's try. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and it was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. For more updates, you can hit the bell icon.